guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So this is just going to be a quick little video today showing you 4 different styles of contour that can replace face surgery. I'm talking slimmer faces, a slimmer jaw, more sculpted, more lifted, everything that you want from a contour. I know people can find different contouring a little bit scary, a little bit intimidating, so hopefully this makes it really easy for you. And obviously if you've got any questions about any of these styles or you're looking for more pointers, please pop your comments down in the comments down below. I'll be happy to help. Style number 1 is the facelift. This will give you an instant lifted, more youthful looking face, and it's really going to snatch everything as well. All you need to do all of these styles is a cream contour. You can even use a liquid contour if you prefer, and a brush for blending it out. Taking your index finger, you want to put that right under the angle of your cheekbone, so right in that hollow part of your face, and then take your cream contour and draw along it and then up towards the temple. Looks pretty crazy, I know. And then repeat on the other side, draw along the finger up to the temple. This is going to give you that upside down triangular shape. And then with this one, you want to blend upwards. So blending out that bottom line first and then the top one, making sure to always blend upwards. See how that really lifts and snatches the face? And when blending in your cream contour, just make sure you are using patting motions. Nothing swipey, nothing draggy. We don't want to disturb the foundation that we've laid down underneath. Blending upwards and into the hairline again. Look at how that has instantly snatched my face. It is like a facelift, but without the surgery. Style number 2 is the model cheekbone. This is for if you want to look skinny and sculpted. Draw your contour in a straight line underneath your cheekbone and then down in a straight line to your chin. Up to the point of your jaw and then join the line. It's essentially a big diamond on your face. It's essentially going to lose you 10 kilos in 30 seconds. And it will give you the most sculpted jaw you've ever seen. So here she is unblended. I know it looks a little crazy. Taking a synthetic brush. Also, I forgot to mention, I am using the Clinique Chubby stick. This is their sculpting contour in the shade Curvy Contour. Like I said, you can use pretty much any cream or any liquid contour that you want. Just make sure you are using a synthetic brush, or alternatively, you can also use a sponge. Totally up to you. So to blend this one in, it's a little bit different than the first one. Starting with the vertical line here, you want to blend this one out towards the edge of your face. The top line you want to blend upwards, just using patting motions. Blend the line along your jawline up towards your ear, and then the back line up towards your hairline. And here's the finished result of this one. See how much slimmer my face looks and how much slimmer my jawline is? And also it's just like, it's like you look skinnier with this one. 100% skinnier in 30 seconds. Style number 3 is the cheek lift. And honestly, this one is the easiest for anybody, especially if you are a beginner at contouring. You basically cannot get this one wrong. So to do this one, you want to make sure you are not smiling. Never go like this when you're applying your contour, because when you stop smiling, your whole face drops and then your whole contour drops, and that drags the face down rather than lifts it. For this one, all you need to do is 1 dot of contour right under each of your cheekbones. So one on this side and then also one on this side. This one works for every face shape. So just blend the dot upwards and outwards and you've got an instantly lifted cheek. It takes 2 seconds to blend out, and like I said, works for every face shape. And honestly, totally beginner friendly. Using only patting motions, I'm blending that upwards and outwards. Instantly lifted cheekbones. And then last but not least, the soft and sculpted contour. This one works for every face shape, and it's going to give you a really nice soft sculpted look. So starting on the forehead, you want to draw in a big 3 shape. Always blending upwards. We never want to blend our contour down. It will drag the face down. And blending it out towards the hairline. Softening up the jawline. See how that sculpted my face, but in a more gentle way? It'll give you so much definition, but also stay super flattering. Honestly, this Clinique stick is so quick and simple to blend out. I love it. You can take your foundation brush with a little excess foundation still on it to soften up any of these contours and help them blend if you need. Or alternatively, you can use a sponge, whatever suits you. All right, guys, so that is it for today's video. 4 different styles of contour that can replace face surgery. I'm going to start doing these quick little easy tip videos here on my channel again. I miss this kind of tutorial. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, let me know. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comments. And if you've got anything, you know, that you're struggling with your makeup that you want a quick video about, let me know and I'll be sure to film it for you guys. All right, I love you heaps and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!